Hey guys, it's Sophie. The weird angle, sorry about that, but you'll get to see why it's a weird angle in a minute. But anyways, hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make homemade squishies. They're super slow rising, and they're so cute too. But I'm going to be using a smaller one. So the materials you'll be needing is a Ziploc, some different colored Sharpies or anything, like tacks, push pins, these things, some cotton, and that's it. That is all you're going to be needing to make this craft. So let's get started. First, before you stuff it, you're going to want to make your design. So I'm going to do mine real quick. And you can do any design. Like you could do a smiley face, a panda bear, or it could just be plain. Like you can do anything you want. I'm just doing like a cute smiley face thing. So yeah. And then if you're doing the design I'm doing, you can, in the eye, you can just make a little circle there so that it pops out more. You don't have to do blue. You could do black or any color that you want, but I'm just doing blue because I don't have black layer right now. I think my brother has one. But yeah. So then you can just round it out a little bit, go out the side the lines of there's like endless possibilities, whatever your imagination is. Like you could draw a dinosaur, a flower, whatever. And then just color the eyeball in. Or ear, whatever. If you're doing mine. I'm just going to color the eyeball in. And make them even. Okay. So that's my eyes right now. That looks creepy. Okay, now I'm going to do the mouth. And now I'm just going to bring it bolder. To make it more bold. Okay, so here's my cute little face. I think it turned out adorable. Now you're going to be using your push pin or tack, whatever you call it, and flip it over. Make sure it's dry. Mine dries really fast. Oh wait, no, the same way. And just poke holes along the way. And do not poke your finger, because that'd be bad. So just poke holes everywhere across the bottom line. And this will help it go slow rising. And this is perfect if if your parents won't let you buy one, or they don't want to waste their money. The more holes, the more slow rising. I'm just going to go across the line really quickly. And this end is really hard to do. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see, but at the bottom I did some holes. It's probably glary. You probably can't see. But now you're going to open up the bag and just like flatten it out. And then get your stuffing. I think that's too much, but we'll just try it. Oh, no. I think that's perfect. I'm just gonna fill it in. Oops. I think I need a little bit more, actually. Okay, so you can add as much as you need. Like, if your bag's like the size of this one, or even like the jumbo bags, or like one size up from this one. Like, there's like a medium-ish. Like, this is like extra small and not small, and then there's a medium, and then there's a really big one. So then close your bag, make sure there's no air in it. And this is what your squishies will look like. And this is what mine is. So yeah, you can fill it like here I don't have any, or at the top I don't have any. You can fill it as much as you want. I just decided to do that. And also, the more holes you do in here, the more slow rising it gets. So, yeah. This one's a bad example. Oh, because it's open. Ha 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 ha. Why does it keep opening? But yeah, you can make this kind, big size, or even bigger. This one's better than this one. So yeah, let me guys show you one more squishy. So guys, if you guys want to comment down below if you guys want to see how to make these squishies. And this is that squishy. So comment down below if you guys want to see that. And I will see you guys next time. But before we leave, make sure you like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Until next time, bye.